attacking the red blanket. And he's jealous of it. There she is. Pretty. Let's see if we hear noise. Ah. Boo. What's the matter? You mad? Why are you so mad this morning? This bird's mad or nah? Attacking my window like that. With boink, boink. Well, they both on there now. Nah. So pretty though. Oh, what's up? What's up? Wanna fight? What's up? Boom. Bitch, what? Get off my window. Get off my window. That's what this bird's telling me right now. My phone cover is pink, so I think this bird thinks that the phone and the cover I have on the window is like its mate because the color is red. That's funny. Good morning, Red Robin. Pretty. Where's the daddy at? Oh, there he is, right there. We're right behind her. Hold on. There he is. I wonder what would happen if I opened this door or window. See, the alpha, huh? There's the girl. I don't know which one's a girl or a boy. Why are you so mad? Damn, raise up. Look at that bulking up everything. What? It's a case. Raise up, little fella. Raise up, little fella. What? Bitch, you got beef? You got beef? Chip, chip. Chip, chip, motherfucker. Bye, Felicia.